Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar from Home Lecture, and today I'm going to explain the definitions of leadership after this. Leadership is referred to the ability of person, which is leaders, to influence people, to influence followers, to work together to achieve a specific goal. For example, the top management leaders will influence middle level manager to work to achieve maybe organization goal. When we talk about leadership, right, different manager will practice a different leadership style, which is autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, servant leadership. If you want to know more about this leadership style, you can wait until the end of this video. There is a link for you to click, and then there is an extra explanation about a different leadership style: autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, servant leadership. So basically there are differences between leaders and manager, Not every manager has a good ability or possesses good leadership skills. That's why we can see in some organization, the followers, the subordinate not really cooperate with the manager. Why? Maybe because of the bad leadership style practiced by that leader. I think that's all for this episode. Please drop your comment, subscribe if you think this video helped you, and see you guys again in home lecture. Bye.